Hi kids! We will be talking about calendar. How many days are there in a week? How many weeks are there in a month? And how many months are there in a year? We will be talking about the calendar for the year 2026. Kids, for the first question, what day of the week is the 1st of January? Let's locate the position of the 1st of January. There you go. Let's find out the day of the week. January 1st falls on a Thursday. My next question is, what day of the week is 2nd of January? Tingnan yung nasa taas. Ano ito?
Friday.
Good! Now you know that January 2nd is on Friday. How about January 3? What day is it? Saturday. O, tingnan natin. Ito ang 3. Tapos, tingnan natin sa taas. It's Saturday. Now, I will ask you, what day is January 14th?
Wednesday.
Yes, ang galing naman. So, alam nyo na ang paggamit ng calendar. Okay? Dito sa calendar page na ito, we have the year. Ano ang year? It's
2026.
Yes.
2026.
Yes, the year is 2026. And what is the month?
January.
Very good. And what are the days of the week? Starting with Sunday. Next is
Monday.
Monday. The third day is
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday.
Very good. So there are 7 days in a week. Let's continue our topic on calendar. What's next after January?
Monday.
Second month. Kung sabihin, buwan. It's
February.
Yes, it's February. Okay. Ano ng araw ang February 1st? What day is?
Sunday.
That's correct. Sunday. Okay, because this is the first day of February and it falls on a Sunday. Alright. When is my birthday? Okay, so that is February 15. Ano naman ang araw ng February 15?
Sunday.
Yes, that's correct. It's Sunday. That will be my 67th birthday. Okay, si Dr. Zenny, tiba tita nyo?
Papa.
Classmate ko sa college, si Dr. Zenny.
Mami pang tawag namin po.
Wow, si Mommy Zenny. Regards to Mommy Zenny. Okay, now what is the last day of February? What is the last day of February? It's Saturday and it is 28. For the year 2026, February has only 28 days. And the 28th day falls on a Saturday. To demonstrate the last days of each month, I will be using my left hand. But look, there are only 5 fingers, and we have 12 months. And this is how. This little finger represents January. This one represents February. Represents March. April, May, June, July. Dahil tag-ulan ang July, we will skip the ravine. We will jump to the next finger. The left thumb represents August, September, October, November, and the last one is December. Lahat ng buwan na nasa taas ay nagtatapos sa 31 days, whereas yung nasa ilalim, ito naman ay nagtatapos sa 30 days except for February. Sa February naman, merong 28 o 29 days, depende sa taon. For the year 2026, 28 days lang ang February. Let's continue our discussion.
So what is the day of the week for March 1st? What day of the week?
Sunday.
Sunday is correct. Okay. What is the last day of March?
31 ng Tuesday po.
Yes, very good.
I repeat, the last day for the month of March is 31, and it falls on a Tuesday.
Ano ang last day ng April?
30.
30, and it falls on a weekday of
Tuesday.
Thursday.
Thursday po.
Yes, Thursday. Not Tuesday. Thursday. Okay, ito ang Tuesday. Ito naman ay Thursday. Okay? So, check natin ulit yung dirty fingernails natin. January, February, March, April. Nasa ilalim ang April. Okay? Naintindihan? What is the next month after April?
May po.
May. Very good. Okay? What day of the week is May 1st? What day of the week is...
Friday po.
Galing naman nilang maghanap ng day of the week.
Birthday namin po.
Talaga? Parating holiday yung birthday nyo. Hindi kayo magba-birthday sa inyong classroom dahil ang May 1st is always a holiday. Bakit holiday? Labor Day. Long weekend na naman ito sa May 1st. Okay? And you will be celebrating May 1st on Friday. Okay? Naintindihan? So, sabi niyo sa mami niyo, magsa-celebrate tayo ng May 1st on Friday. Okay? Ano naman ang last day of the month of May? Tingnan natin. January, February,
ang i-demonstrate ko sa inyo ay ang last day
ay
each month. There are 12 months in a year, but here in my left
30?
arm, I have only 5 fingers. Paano natin pagkakasya?
First, ito yan ang class. Ito yan. Ito yan. Pinagsama ang 24 at saka 31st kasi hindi magkakasya sa kalendaryo. Kaya dito, nilalagay yung 31st. Okay? So, tingnan nga natin yung dirty fingernails with your left hand. January, February, March, April, May. Ano ang susunod nating buwan? After May.
Uy.
June. Okay, June. Alright, June. Ano ang last day ng June?
30 po.
30. And it falls on what day?
Tuesday po.
Tuesday is correct. Check na natin sa ating dirty fingernails kung
Take it.
totoo talaga
Ang
na
i-demonstrate
30
ko
ang
sa inyo
June.
ay ang last day
January,
of
February,
each month.
March,
There are 12
April,
months in a year,
May,
but
June.
here in my left
So,
arm,
that means
I have only 5
30
fingers.
days lang
Paano
ang
natin pagkakasya yan?
June. Ano ang susunod after June? What month is the next after June?
Ay po.
July. Okay? July. What day is July 1st?
Wednesday ng month po.
Alright, very good. It's Wednesday. And how many days are there in July? Use your dirty fingernails. Good day, kids. Ang i-demonstrate ko sa inyo ay ang last day. Ilang araw ang July? There are 12 months in a year. But here in my left arm, I have only 5 fingers. Paano natin pagkakasyahin yan? Use your dirty fingernails to check the last day of the month. Good day, kids. Ang i-demonstrate ko sa inyo ay ang last day
March,
of
April, May,
There are 12
June,
months in
July.
a year.
Nasa tuktok
But
ang
here-
July. So, ano ang last day? Ano ang last day? Pag nasa tuktok ng ating fingers, 31 days. Okay? Ano ang susunod after July?
August po.
August is correct. Okay? So, ilang araw naman ang August?
29 po.
Ha? Tingnan mabuti.
31.
Yes, 31. Ay, ano ang 31? Ano ang araw ang 31?
Monday.
That's correct. The last day of August, which is 31st, falls on a Monday.
Anong susunod sa August?
September.
Yes, very good. September. Sino yung nagsabi?
Luis po.
Okay, very good, Luis. September. Okay? So, anong araw ang second day of September? Anong araw ang second day of September?
Wednesday po.
That's correct. It's Wednesday. Tingnan natin ang 2. Okay, o second. Second day, it falls on a Wednesday. Okay, naintindihan nyo, class? Ang paggamit ng calendar. Dito natin mati-check kung anong araw ang isang petsa. What day is the last day of September? What day of the week?
30 po.
Yes, 30. And what day of the week is September 30th?
Wednesday po.
Yes, very good. Wednesday. Now let's try October. What is the last day of October?
31 po.
Very good. Now let's check our dirty fingernails.
Good day, kids. Ang i-demonstrate ko sa inyo
March,
ay ang last day
April,
of each
May,
month.
June,
There are 12
July.
months in a year.
Dahil
But here,
tag-ulan na ang July, talampasan natin ang river. So, tayo ay pupunta sa August, September, October, November, December. Okay? So, ang ibig sabihin, ang October ay nasa tuktok. It means 31 days. November. Ano ang third day of November? What day of the week? What day of the week is November 3 or 3rd of November?
Wednesday po.
Galing naman. Sino ito?
Louis po.
Louis. Very good. You are very bright, Louis. Okay, so ang sa ating dirty fingernails, ang ito ay November, kaya na dito sa ilalim. Okay?
and the last month of the year is
December.
Yes. At ano naman ang araw ng Kapaskuhan sa taong ito?
December 25 po.
Oh, anong araw? Anong araw yon?
30 po.
Tingnan natin kung anong araw ang December 25. Okay, nakita niyo na kung ano ang araw ng December 25.
Friday po.
Friday, that's correct. Palakpakan natin ang ating sarili dahil marunong na kayong gumamit ng calendar. Okay? Palakpakan natin ang ating sarili. Okay, so ang ibig sabihin, pwede na kayong pag tinanong ni Mami, anong araw ang iyong birthday? Sasabihin niyo, May 1st falls on a Friday. Walang kulalat sa math. Walang kulalat sa math. A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Walang kulalat sa math. Matyaga ka lang, matututo ka rin ng math.